In the wild, survival often hinges on the ability to blend in. Creatures like the octopus master this art, changing color and texture in mere seconds to evade predators. The stick insect, resembling twigs or leaves, stands motionless, evading detection by both prey and predator alike. The cuttlefish showcases a remarkable capability, adjusting its skin to mimic the surrounding environment, showcasing a dynamic spectrum of colors. Even the leaf-tailed gecko employs an extraordinary technique, perfectly mimicking dead leaves, to lie in wait for unsuspecting insects. These tactics demonstrate a stunning evolution of adaptation, underscoring nature's brilliance in the ongoing struggle for life and survival.